Good morning to all of you. So today I discuss about addition of two numbers in Java. So before discuss about this topic, if I talk about lecture number 7, I discuss about first program in Java, addition of two numbers. So I take class addition, the add is a class name, then open this body from here. Public static void main string args, you know already that. So first we take integer a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, comma sum. And sum equal to a plus b, the value of a and b after the addition and exists in sum, then system dot out dot println sum. So what is the value of sum over here? 30. Yes. But dear all students, I want to the sum of two numbers equal to 30. So I display again sum of two numbers equal to sum. So the close of this main function, after that the close this class. But before I discuss about, I want to say that open Notepad++ for execute of this program. So I write yes class add, class is add, and yes public static void main and string. You can use 3 time dots over here, no problem. Already I discussed about public static void main, how many ways to write public static void main. You can write public static void main string array args also, and you can also write string 3 time dot args, both are same thing, there is no problem. So I have take int a equal to 10 and b 20. Then I have another take variable sum, the sum equal to yes a plus b. So what are the value of sum over here? 30. Yes. So system dot out dot println, then the value is sum. Yes. So over here 30. Yes. But I want to say that I want to print the sum of two numbers equal to 30. So again I copy this content and paste. So we write double quotes and sum of two numbers equal to plus sum. Okay. So now close this function, main function. So firstly we save, then file as, save as, yes, and already I have said, but this is the override over here, and plus sum. So after that, if we want to compile of this program, so firstly we copy of this class file, class name, and we click on save as. So directly we go to, by the help of command prompt, so Java C is a Java compiler, and paste that copy from there. So .java is an extension, but it is wrong, so Java. Yes. So this is the compilation. Yes, this is compile, and after that we write execute of this code by the help of Java command. So add, and yes, this is the answer over here, 30, and sum of number equal to 30. So in this side, the addition of two numbers over here, if I talk about in Hindi also, we have to take, so I explain and convert into Hindi, there is no problem. डियर स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले हमने क्लास का नाम ऐड लिया, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी राइट मेन मेथड. मेन मेथड को हम दो तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, तरीके बहुत सारे हैं, मैंने आपको बताया भी था. स्ट्रिंग के बाद 3 डॉट लगाइए और प्रोग्राम का आनंद लीजिए. ए इक्वल टू 10, बी इक्वल टू 20, सम ए की वैल्यू 10 20 ले लिया आपने, दोनों में डाल दिया. अब यहीं से आप सारे के सारे प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन, मॉडुलस, ऑल दैट थिंग्स. ओनली वन चेंज, यस, suppose you write minus, then this. Suppose you write multiple, then this, upon, and modulus. एक प्रोग्राम के जरिए आप सारे के सारे प्रोग्राम यहाँ बना सकते हैं, और आप चाहो तो इसी प्रोग्राम के अंदर चारों के चारों प्रोग्राम आप बना सकते हैं। सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।